Welcome to another video. If you are also powered by caffeine, just like I am, then you're gonna love what I'm making in this video. So let's get to it. So it's all gonna happen in this bowl mold that I got recently, and I haven't used it yet, and I'm so excited. So if you haven't guessed already, we are gonna be using some coffee beans. And I did painstakingly pick these out, because when you open a pack of coffee beans, there are going to be like some really crushed ones and broken ones and all sorts. So I did actually sort them out and get the nicer looking beans. And the other thing we're using is some gold leaf. So I've mixed up some of my Jade Diction Officials resin, and I'm going to put down a layer of the gold leaf first and foremost, because that's going to be like the rim of the bowl. And if you haven't guessed already, we are going to kind of do this in layers, as in I'm going to put down a layer of the gold leaf, a few of the beans, another layer of gold leaf, and then top it up with beans. So that's my plan, and it is to sort of minimize bubbles, but we'll see how we get on.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
So my gold leaf has been in there for about, I don't know, 40 minutes, not long, so it's definitely not cured, but I'm happy to go in with my coffee beans on this stage. And what I've done is once again mixed up some resin and put in some of the beans, and as you can see, it's quite a thick mixture, like there's little resin and more of the beans. And I'm going to pour this down the side of the bowl, and all of the beans that have stayed up, I'm going to try and push them along the edge and kind of have them scattered out along the walls of this bowl. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, like, you're here anyway watching this, so you may as well subscribe, like, comment, and also click on the notification bell so you get notified every time I'm trying something new with resin. Or not, maybe it's not resin, it's other stuff, but you get notified every time I post another video. And know that I appreciate each and every one of you, and I am so glad that you are here with me on my art journey. So just went ahead and mixed up some more beans because I felt like they weren't quite enough to go around all of the circumference of the bowl. So that's just me topping some more of those up.
1 hour later.
So it's been another hour, and we are ready to pour in another layer of the gold leaf this time again. And like I said, I'm going to be mixing it up with the beans and the gold leaf on this one. And in my head, that's what I have. What we get in the end, I do not know, because I've not done coffee beans in a bowl before. I have done them in trays and turntables, etc., but I've never done them in a bowl shape. So, you know, for all you know, we might just get this horribly wrong, because we might just get this whole bowl filled with air pockets between where, you know, where the beans are. So don't know, we're hoping for the best at this stage, and we'll see how we get on. So this is what we're looking like at the moment after layer 3. And I think the last layer is just going to be a whole load of coffee beans all over the top.
1 hour later.
So we are back in about an hour again, and I'm ready to put down the layer of coffee beans. And can I just tell you, this project smells so amazing with all that roasted coffee bean flavor. Like, I am buzzing while making this. I am high on caffeine without even having that much caffeine. Love it. So I'm happy with the amount of beans I have on top, and I'm just pushing them down to make sure I don't have any poking up too high. So that way, when I fill this up completely with resin, I don't have to sand this, hopefully. Like I said, this is all based on hope, so bear with me.
2 hours later.
So now this has been sitting for about 2 hours. This time I did let these get like cure into the resin a bit longer, just because I did not want these to start floating up on top. And now we're just going to go ahead and fill whatever's left up top of this bowl with clear resin and let it cure.
The next day.
Okay, so it's the next day. We are ready to unmold, and I really hope this looks like how I've imagined it in my head without too many issues, because like I said, as I was doing this, I was panicking, thinking that I'm gonna get too many air bubbles and voids in this bowl, because, you know, there might be air trapped and I cannot do anything about it on the sides of this bowl. I don't know how it's all gonna go. So fingers crossed, really hope this works. Now I do have some cleanup to do at the bottom, so I will go around with my deburring tool, but honestly, it is looking pretty good and it's out and I absolutely love it. There are a few bubbles on the base, which is expected because we are going to do something to the inner side of the ball. So that's going to cover it up, but the rest of it is perfect. Could not be happier. Okay, so I found these on Amazon. They just seem like these transfers that you would transfer onto, I don't know, your coffee cup or tumbler or something. And I saw these and I had to have these. And it's actually what inspired this whole project, to be honest. So I'm just trying to look through these and see which one I want to use for this bowl. And I think I'm going to go with this one. Coffee is always a good idea. Yeah, because it is. It literally is. So that's it. We're going with this. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this out. And as I cut it, I'm thinking I'm gonna leave the little candies on and the coffee cup on, and I'm gonna cut away the rest of it.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I guess you just peel them like as you would with a sticker, and I'm gonna put it down as central as I can be and kind of give it a nice little rub on. Like I said, I haven't used these particular transfers before, so again, I hope I haven't gone ahead and ruined this bowl. So time to pull away the film. And yeah, it works. It works just fine. Love it. Now I know that the coffee, like the brown on the words is quite sort of similar to the brown I have in the beans. So it's a very like tone on tone effect, but I am all for it. I absolutely love it. I did go ahead and make another little something. So I have this little tray that I made. I actually made two. I'll show you the other one in a minute. So we're gonna go ahead and put another little transfer on this tray. And for this one, I'm going with the Fueled by Coffee and Anxiety, because literally that is me. Like that is me every day, all day. So I had to have that. Yay, that looks so good. Look, this set is not commissioned and I am gonna list it up for sale, but I love it so much that I think I wanna keep it for myself. Okay, so the next tray, like I said, I made two. The second one on the back seems to have had those issues. Now, I don't know what it is. I think it could have been unmixed resin because I was literally just pouring out the last bits. So I'm going to try and fix that, and hopefully I will show you if I was able to do that in the finished shots of this tray. Now, what is left to do is top coat these. So here we go with some top coat. And I'm ready to show you what these look like. I mean, I know what you can see what they look like because you have seen them, but love them. And I was able to salvage that tray that had a weird situation on the back, and it's turned out so nice. I am in love. I am obsessed. Like I said, I think I'm just gonna keep these for myself. I don't know. I have to have these. Let me know what you think about these in the comment, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye.